Continuing our coverage now of a new law expanding access to mental health treatment. Signed by Governor Kathy Hochul last week, the law will expand authority when it comes to diagnosing mental health, bolstering access to care. Lawmakers said New York was on the verge of crisis with backlogs to care and a shortage of professional counselors. Christian Garzone sat down with Assemblymember Harry Bronson, who helped get this bill through. Christian joins us now with the latest. Christian.
Well, Assemblyman Harry Bronson says for nearly a decade, New York disinvested in mental health treatment, and due to that, the state has been in a crisis for years, only getting worse due to the COVID-19 pandemic. He says children and families are in dire need of counseling services. In fact, there's a 6-month backlog of people in our region waiting for treatment now. Now that this bill has been signed, that means there will be upwards of 10,000 mental health professionals who have master's degrees who will now be able to diagnose and do assessment plans, which are necessary to actually get patients into treatment with a doctor. Bronson says there's been a stigma associated with mental health, and as we've been getting away from that, people are realizing it's just like medical health, and the need has grown. Here's Bronson on how this new law was accomplished.
What happened was a number of professions came together: the mental health counselors, the marriage and family therapists, and the psychoanalysts. We came together. We met with the licensed clinical social workers who already had this authority in their scope of practice, and really came together with an understanding that we've got to meet the needs of our families. And in order to do that, we had to expand the ability to diagnose and make sure that those folks who already had that ability, that didn't go away.
Bronson says families and individuals having access to even just a bit of therapy can help them move forward in a very positive way. Adam, right back to you.
Very interesting. All right, Christian, thank you. Bronson added this bill had large margins of bipartisan support in both the Assembly and the Senate.